things that I like about BECK, just a solid engineered product, a set it and forget it type of product. Customers love it because they're easy to install and maintain, and they provide years of good, solid performance.
We consider ourselves our own customers. We make the products that we would like to get ourselves. The key is we have to take good technology and merge these into a package that's going to deliver to the customer the best performance and the best value.
We look at the market needs to generate product lines, and the product lines we adapt to individual applications as the customer needs them. So there is a focus on individual customers and their needs in each and every application.
I've come across actuators when I first started my career that continue to operate in steel mills, paper mills, power plants. Those products, that design dates back to the late 1960s. If a customer calls, they need a replacement motor or replacement circuit board, we still have those replacements sitting on the shelf ready to be shipped.
As far as the design parameters, each one of our actuators, they're designed to last 50 million cycles. So that's a good amount of cycles.
BECK has a standard 3-year warranty, which is unprecedented in our compared to our competitors.
They're reliable and they're simple. People put them in, it's a good experience, and then they forget about them.